Inventor here.
I did it under the,
Make sure that two versions get a second one.
yeah, I think so.
This is going to have an instruction on how to build apps, right? I'm going to show you real quick here. Okay, you can go to mit.edu here, right? appinventor.mit.edu. And get started. This is going to show you step by step to do a setup. Okay. So first you need to walk through all these steps. Very important. Setup, designer and blocks editors, beginner tutorials. All right, so packaging and sharing apps. So setup is set up your machine, right, to be able to build apps. And this is just learn how to build the app on the second step and third step. Just watch the video tutorials for you. And last one is how you publish it. Like people can just go to the App Store, right, Marketplace, to download your apps. To set up, it's recommend you to do option 1 here. If you have the Android device, you build your project on your computer here and test it with your Android device real time. Okay, so this is very easy one. Let's check that out. Someone we have the Android device here, right? You have it here today, right?
I got my tablet.
Android tablets.
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna do that now. The second option is if you don't have the Android device, you can just use the emulator. You may see this, guys, always showing up at the bottom here. I did install the emulator here, okay? Which do you have an instruction to install the emulator there if you don't have the tablets or don't have the Android device. And you can also do the connecting while if you have the device but you don't have Wi-Fi connections, you can just do the USB connections. Okay, that's option 3. So the first one is the easy one. All right, so that's how you set up. So we're ready to move then. Okay. Any question on how to set up?
How'd you get to that page?
I just typed in the URL at the top of the page.
Okay, so again, how to get to this page? You just say MIT app on Google, App Inventor 2, right?
Front page, Explorer.
Make sure you get the second version. First version will not work sometime. All right, so it happened to know me and let me into the account. So if you don't have, I mean, you can use the Nova email to get the account. All right, so if I log out, it should take you to here, right? And just click on Get Started.
I got to where you were before.
Start, that's how I get to that page, right? Set instructions. Good? Now, if you hit create, here, create, right? If you have your email login, it should take you to the create project page right there, right? If not, then just use your Nova email, NVCC, right? Or any Gmail that you have. All right, so this is the view that you're going to see on the devices, right? And now we're going to look at, this is just like there are two views, right? Designer view and blocks view. Designer is where you're going to make your apps, right? like how you want it to look. Now before we move on, I want you to watch the movie. I think already. So let's say